So this simple video,
I shall help you understand
how do you draw the X bar R control chart using Minitab, and how do you draw the inference out of the same. X bar R as a control chart is to be built when you have greater than one subgroup data. Here I have data for marital status. So I have data separated for collections done by married folks and collections done by single people. Two subgroups here, so I would use the X bar R chart. So I go to stats, I go to control charts for subgroup, I go to X bar R, chose married and I chose single. I went to scale, I did stamp and chose the column in which I have this date put in, which is C3. Pressed OK. Here you go, your X bar R is done. The first chart you should always look at is the bottom chart, which is the variation chart. Every data point is within the red lines of the upper control limit and the lower control limit. Hence, we'll say that the process variation is in the state of statistical control. Then I move towards my mean chart. Even the mean chart, there's not a single data point which is going outside the UCL LCL. Hence, we will say that my process is within statistical control. I hope this simple video helps you understand how do you conduct the X bar R using Minitab. Thank you.